Alright. Alright. So, I pulled up 43 potato plants. And I do believe that I did a pretty decent job on these. The reds turned out really, really good. Look, check out this guy. This pile. I mean, just take a look. Wow. Those are nice. And my purples is really good. That's one plant. That is one plant. And these are Kennebecs down here. They're a little small, but the plants were dead, so they had to come out. They were pretty good. That's not bad at all. So I'm going to throw them in a bucket. I'm going to weigh them, and then I will tell you what I got. And then I'll show you what, I'll put a picture of my drying rack that I had my wife built. She's awesome.